craving today a sweet and spicy chicken teriyaki with some broccoli. Let's make it because I'm super hungry. This is just one of those recipes that everybody enjoys and you can make it super quick after school, pack it for lunch, whatever it is, amigas. Let's make it. Come on. Starting off by chopping our chicken in small slices, amiga. That way when we put our marinade, it gets all over the chicken. When I make teriyaki chicken, I like using boneless chicken thighs. When cooking these, they're very hard to dry out, so this is why I like it, because a lot of the times I dry out my chicken. Now we can add the chicken to the bowl and season it with garlic powder, some black pepper, our Japanese barbecue sauce that's sweet and spicy, and our cornstarch. The cornstarch is gonna make it a little crispy when we throw it on the griddle. We can start cooking it up. Let's add it to the griddle. I set the griddle on medium, that way we get that crisp and we don't overcook our chicken, because I always do that and I don't want to do it this time.
Always overcook the chicken.
Chill. I could say it about myself, you can't.
Oh, yeah.
Get it right.
It's never overcooked. It's always perfect.
Right.
When she says it's juicy, that means it's juicy.
Even if you don't see juice coming out of it, all right? Okay, CJ? I forgot to add some oil, amiga, so let's put a little bit of oil on the chicken. Now we need to chop up our broccoli, and yes, I switched out my cutting board because we don't want salmonella up in here, okay? So let's cut these into very small pieces. Our chicken is getting that crisp. It's cooking perfectly. My mouth is watering. That's a good time. Let's add our broccolinis to the griddle. We need to add a little bit of oil. Just a little bit, baby. We need these to cook nice and slow so they can get soft. Should I add salt to these?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Sprinkle it right over.
Wait, how much is that? Like, what do you call that? That was a lot. That was a lot more than a drizzle. Or like a pinch. That was a pinch?
It was going to be a pinch.
Well, then what is it?
It's a handful. The chicken's ready. We can take it off the griddle. It's got that nice crisp. It's juicy. How's that look?
Oh, it looks amazing.
Like me?
Yeah.
Our broccoli's ready too. Ahora sí, it's time to plate up our chicken teriyaki. First, we're going to add a little bit of white rice, our broccoli, and the chicken. Our teriyaki bowl is ready, amigas. I'm ready for the taste test. Let's try it. Let's get our chicken, some rice, some broccoli. It's sweet, it's spicy, the texture is perfect, amigas. It's delicious. Ready for the taste test, babe?
Yeah.
What do you rate it? What do you rate it? Yeah, it was one taste test, not taste eat it all. If you enjoyed this recipe, amigas, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Blackstone Products YouTube page. Bye, amigas. Love you guys.